social commerce fuels the evolution of influencer marketing in 2022. As digital techniques emerge, social influencers may play a larger part in companies' e-commerce strategy, which they previously served only to increase the awareness. Yes, you heard it right. As established businesses and digitally savvy startups compete for customers spending so much time online, the e-commerce sector has become more competitive. As social media sites expand their facilities for facilitating in-app buying, companies will be more interested in negotiating arrangements with influencers who have large followings to differentiate themselves from competitors while boosting sales this year. Hey guys, welcome back to the Business Bandits. In today's video, we will be talking about social commerce and influencer marketing. So be sure to stay focused. If you are new to this channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications and hit the bell, so you may never miss any of our uploads. Purchases may now be made straight from the social media apps, and creators can now tag products directly. This opens up the door to even more bottom-funnel advertising for many brands. This shift occurs when the amount of money spent on influencer marketing rises. As per an year-end report by influencer marketplace Collabster, it grew by 42% to $13.8 billion globally this year, and is expected to reach $15 billion by the end of 2022. According to the eMarketer, social commerce sales in the United States are expanding, but they will continue to be a minor part of the overall e-commerce industry. Social commerce sales in the United States are estimated to reach close to $37 billion this year, up 35.8% from last year. The total is expected to be over $80 billion by 2025. However, social commerce will only account for 4% of the US e-commerce sector in 2021, rising to 5% by 2024. A collaborative setting. As the technological environment makes things easier than ever before to set up an online business, expect higher cooperation between bloggers and companies. During the pandemic-related rise in online purchasing, e-commerce software company Shopify stated the number of traders using its platform hit $1.75 million last year, up from 5 lakh 2 years ago. Traditional online businesses will face tougher opposition as social media sites like Facebook and TikTok introduce direct sales feature for creators and advertising. Collaboration with a social influencer is one option for marketers to contact targeted customers interested in specialized content and may be willing to buy in the setting. That creative effort could range from TikTok dance videos to Instagram holiday spots to YouTube product recommendations. Users can purchase what they see in images and videos without leaving the app. As corporations and influencers want to build long-term advertising collaborations, attribution data will be useful. Monetizing influencer content, social commerce will alter how bloggers earn profit and provide additional options for businesses to make direct selling. Other monetization techniques are developing and revenue-sharing agreements with platforms, such as YouTube, or affiliate ties with online sites like Amazon. How you can collaborate with the creator is becoming increasingly fragmented. Not only do we have more venues and unique niches, And there are also so many more things to take advantage of within the networks themselves. Rather than hiring influencers for certain ads and programs, many companies are developing longer-term relationships with them in this way. In 2022 and beyond, people expect to see more of this kind of collaborations between businesses and influencers. Brands can use a multi-tiered approach to engage with several big name and micro-influencers to establish influencer marketing campaigns. Those lesser-known celebrities may be effective fronts for brands with honesty and devoted followers. Smaller influencers have a higher conversion rate. They tend to be more focused and communicate more effectively. Eric Dahan, the co-founder and chief executive officer of Open Influence, stated in his opinion. They also receive fewer brand endorsements than some of the more well-known influencers. As a result, when they land a brand deal, they tend to provide better content for their audience or become more involved in this process. Prospects for growth. China has been at the forefront of social commerce for many years. During the COVID-19 outbreak, however, the tendency exploded in the United States, with many shoppers flocking to the internet. According to Statista, 80 million social purchases will be in the United States, up 30% from 2019. Experts think that the social commerce trend would have continued to spread without the pandemic, but expedited the outbreak. During the year 2020, those 80 million purchases spent about $27 billion. Retail experts predict that social commerce sales will rise by more than 35% this year, resulting in more than $36 billion in consumer spending. In comparison, consumers in China will spend only 10% of what they will in the United States. Looking ahead to 2025, the United States social commerce market is expected to reach about $80 billion. It would then represent just over 5% of all the retail e-commerce sales. What does this mean for your business? Given the projected expansion of social commerce and the expanding use of social media, any e-commerce business has the potential to gain. While it's critical to personalize your social commerce strategy to your company, most online shops may benefit from a few strategies. User-generated content, collaboration with influencers, and customers' call to action from your post can add value to e-commerce. Well, guys, that's all we have for you today. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and we will see you again in the next video. Goodbye.